Alright, so next thing what I want to do is put this new PMS. This one should be work. Seller says that this one is working, but we'll see that. I also need to swap this plug. This is wrong plug. I have the right one here somewhere. This is the right one for this car. That one basically just put plus 6% of fuel, more fuel with this one. Everything else is same with this. So next thing we're gonna place this and try how the car starts. So replacement used PMS is now installed. New sensor installed. Do not start car. You have to wait 2 minutes that throttle manifold do something, calibration. So I just turn this key on and then we wait 2 minutes and then we're gonna start. Okay, so the time is 90 seconds, not 2 minutes, but it's easier just say 2 minutes. You have to wait before you start if you take battery off or change to PMS. But now it's much over 2 minutes, so let's try. No, it doesn't work with this PMS. Okay, so the old PMS is now installed back, and that which doesn't work is here. Let's see how it's works now. There must be plenty of fuel in exhaust, so we'll see how many bangs they're coming or something. Okay, so these are the values of that. What's happening now? I can smell fuel or very rich burning. Now the sensor starts to O2 sensor has started to fix that mixture. You can see the graph here. This is the O2 sensor. About a little bit more throttle. Now it starts to work faster. And now it's the idle again. But yeah, that new PMS doesn't work, it's broken. And this old one is working, but we'll see in future is that crank sensor, does it help anything to starting car or not, or is it just a head gasket blown in this car.